Ladies and gents, this is The Startup, the channel for business and entrepreneurship. Have you ever wondered what sets millionaires apart from the rest of us? It's not just about money, it's also about mindset. And in this video, we're going to dive into the key traits that define the mindset of a millionaire and share some of the practical tips that help you on your own journey to success. One of the most important aspects of the millionaire mindset is goal setting. Millionaires are constantly setting and working towards goals, both big and small. They've got a clear vision of what they want to achieve, and they take action to make it happen. However, it's not just about setting goals, it's also about breaking them down into manageable steps and staying motivated along the way. The discipline and willingness to push through challenges, even when progress seems virtually impossible, is what separates them from the rest. Another key trait of the millionaire mindset is positive thinking. Millionaires believe that they can achieve anything they set their minds to, and they approach any challenge with a can-do attitude. They don't let negative thoughts or self-doubt hold them back. In fact, many millionaires practice gratitude and visualize their success to maintain a positive mindset. They also surround themselves with positive influences and avoid negativity whenever possible. And this not only helps them stay motivated, but it also attracts other like-minded people into their lives. Millionaires are not afraid to take risks. They understand that taking calculated risks is often a necessary evil to achieve success. They're willing to step outside of their comfort zone and try new things, even if there's a chance of failure. However, don't get it confused, because they don't take reckless risks. They weigh the potential risk against the reward and then make an informed decision. They also usually have a backup plan in case things don't go as planned. Millionaires are lifelong learners. They're always seeking out new knowledge to improve themselves. They understand that knowledge is power. They understand that staying up to date with their trends and best practices is crucial in their line of whichever industry they're in. Many millionaires also seek out mentorship and guidance from others who've achieved success in their field. They're usually humble enough to recognize that they can always learn from others, and they actively seek out opportunities to do so. Persistence is another hallmark of the millionaire mindset. But having said that, persistence doesn't mean stubbornness. Millionaires are also willing to adapt and pivot when necessary, and they know when to let go of an idea or strategy that isn't working. They stay flexible and agile in case the market turns, and they move with it, which helps them succeed in the long run. Millionaires also have an abundance mindset, and they always believe there's no shortage of opportunities for their success. They don't see the success of others as a threat to their own success, and they're happy to celebrate the achievement of others. This mindset also extends to money. Millionaires understand that money is simply a tool to achieve their goals, and they don't let it define their self-worth or happiness. They're able to detach themselves from the emotions surrounding money. They also focus on making money instead of saving pennies. Now, while it's important to manage your finances wisely and avoid unnecessary expenses, millionaires understand that the real path to wealth is by increasing their income. They focus on making more money rather than saving pennies. In fact, I'd go as far as saying that focusing too much on saving pennies can actually be counterproductive. Instead, I'd focus my energy on finding ways to increase my earning potential, and that might mean developing new skills or starting a side hustle, or just good old investing in assets that generate passive income. Millionaires are always open to new opportunities, and they're not afraid to pivot when they see a better path. They embrace change. They understand that change is a natural part of life, and it can bring new opportunities for growth and success. They're not afraid to tackle the unknown, and they often start new ventures knowing that they don't yet know all the answers. They aren't put off by making mistakes or failures, because they know it's part of the game. And successful people tend to surround themselves with successful people. After all, you are the 5 people you surround yourself with. And millionaires play this game the best. They understand the power of positive influence, and they seek out mentorship and peers who've achieved the success that they desire. This keeps them motivated and on track, but it also provides them with valuable insight and advice from those who've done it before. Millionaires understand that building wealth takes time, and there'll be bumps along the way, but they stay disciplined and focused on their long-term goals, and they really trust the process. They're patient and persistent, and always willing to put in the extra work to reach their goals. Most people lose interest or motivation after a few months or less, and they need constant excitement and motivation because they can't sit down and focus on one thing long enough. And last but not least is the ability to make quick decisions. Millionaires understand that time is a valuable resource. They don't waste it by overthinking or procrastinating. Instead, they trust their instincts and they make decisions quickly, even if they don't have all the info. In fact, many millionaires believe that making quick decisions, even if they turn out to be wrong, is better than spending too much time pondering and potentially missing out on a special opportunity. They understand that failure is an inevitable part of the path to success, that taking risks and making quick decisions is a crucial part of the process. So there you have it, the mindset of a millionaire. And by adopting these habits and attitudes, you can start to shift your mind towards success. And as always, if you like seeing this kind of content and want to start or scale your current business, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. If you have any other questions, put them in the comments below.